Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door trim in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door trim. This is the right side door trim. It's mounted on the outer side of the right French door. It supports the door seal, allowing for an airtight seal. The main reason to replace the door trim is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the right side French door. To remove the door trim, I'm going to use this putty knife. I'm going to slide it into that seam here. And I'm going to pry this end out. And I'm going to continue on. We're going to go down, slide the knife down, pry it out, and one at the bottom here. This is the old door trim next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door trim, we're going to place these tabs. We got a number of tabs into cutouts here on the side, and we're gonna push it in, allowing it to lock. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.